Good morning. How are you? Okay, good. You are learning some daily? Very good. Keep on learning daily. Okay. So now we will learn English grammar. What are we going to learn? We will learn English grammar. Which are the chapters you learned? Do you remember? You learned two chapters. Now the third one. What is the third chapter? Third chapter is Sound of Letters. What is the name of the third chapter? Sound of Letters. Okay, we will learn about the sound of each letter. Ready? Okay. So, letters stand for sounds. Letters A, B, C, D, these letters stand for sounds. These letters have some sounds. When we speak those letters, we produce some sound. We make some sounds. While speaking, the letters A to Z give two types of sounds. When we are speaking A, B, C, D, E, in this way up to Z, we make two types of sounds. And what are they? They are vowels and consonants. What are the sounds we produce? We make two types of sounds and they are vowels and consonants. We will learn about vowels and consonants now. Vowels. The letters which need the mouth to be slightly opened while speaking are called vowels. What are vowels? The letters which need the mouth to be slightly opened. The letters which need the mouth to be slightly opened while speaking are called vowels. When we speak, we open our mouth slightly, little bit only we open our mouth, like A, E. In this way, when we have to open our mouth slightly, then that letter is called vowel. There are five vowels. How many vowels are there? Five. And what are they? A, E, I, O, U. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the five vowels. You have understood? Okay. What are vowels? The letters which need the mouth to be slightly opened while speaking are called vowels. How many vowels are there? Five vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Now we will learn the alphabet. You have learned the alphabet, I know, but I'll show you the vowel sounds. This is the alphabet A to Z. The letters A to Z is called alphabet. And now what are we going to do? We will put a circle on the vowels. What are the vowel sounds? First one A, then E, I, O, U. Is there any other vowel? No. How many are there? Five. And we have put how many circles? Five circles. There are five vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are the five vowels. When we speak these vowels, we slightly open our mouth. So they are called vowels. Now we are moving to consonants. What are consonants? Let us see. The letters which need the mouth to be slightly closed. while speaking are called consonants. What are consonants? The letters which need the mouth to be slightly closed. When we speak the letters, we have to close our mouth slightly, little bit. The mouth has to be closed. Then they are called consonants. Have you understood? Okay. See, what are the consonants? There are 21 consonants. How many consonants are there? 21. There are 21 consonants. What are they? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. 21 are there. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 26 letters. Good. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. And out of them, how many are vowels? 5 are vowels. So what is remaining? You subtract 26. You subtract 5 from 26. What will be the answer? 21. 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay. Now we will do an exercise. You have to encircle the consonants. What you will do? You will encircle. Encircle means you will put a circle on the consonants. So tell me, which is the first consonant? Is it A? No. A is a vowel. So next one, B. Is B a consonant? Yes. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we have encircled. How many letters do you know? 21 letters. How many consonants are there? 21 consonants are there. And what are the other 5 letters? The other 5 letters are not encircled, and these 5 letters are vowels. These 5 letters are vowels, and the remaining 21 letters are consonants. You have learned about vowels and consonants in this chapter, is it? So we have completed. Let us start the revision. What we have learned in this chapter? We have learned that there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and there are 21 consonants. All the letters besides these 5 are called consonants. 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So English alphabet has how many letters altogether? 26 letters. You have completed it. You have learned it. Now once you speak these letters, we know that when we speak the vowels A, E, I, O, U, when we speak all these 5 letters, our mouth has to be slightly closed or opened. Opened. When we speak these vowel sounds, our mouth has to be slightly opened. But when we speak the consonants, our mouth will be slightly closed, like B, C, D, F, G. In this way, all the consonants are having different sound, and when we speak, we have to close our mouth. So we have completed the chapter. We will meet again tomorrow with a next subject. Till the time, take care. Bye.